Hello friends, welcome in my YouTube channel. Today I will show how to take PDR means Pilot Defect Report from MCDU in A320 aircraft. So between and don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch full video. Thank you. First we will go MCDU menu page. After that we will go CFDS. In CFDS page we will go last leg report. Here we will see what are the defects are there and what are the report in the last sector. After that we will go last leg ECAM report. Here if any defects are there it will show in this page. Again we will return. After that, we will take printout. By this, we will take last leg reclaim report and last leg report in one printout. Thank you.